Template is a predefined file which has got some basic settings as standard in it already. Therefore, to add a new template, when you click on New Project tab, we'll be able to see only 3 to 4 templates showcased in the New Project tab. Therefore, to add the templates which we require, like a default metric template or structural analysis template, we need to browse through the program files which will be installed during the Revit software installation through Autodesk. So to check through the other remaining templates, we should go to this PC tab. Once you go to this PC tab, we need to click on Windows C option. Later, we need to click on Program Files. Once you click on Program Files, we'll be able to see the Autodesk option. Therefore, click on Autodesk option. Later, we need to select Revit 2026 software. Then in Revit software, we need Revit 2026 tab. We'll be able to see the option called Templates. Here are the templates that are installed during the Revit software installation. In this, we need to click on English tab, which will meet our required standards. Here we'll be able to see the different types of templates like default metric templates and all the required templates for structural designing. These are the templates which will be installed. To add these templates to the Revit software, we need to go back to the Revit software. Again, click on New Project and click on Browse option. Later, we need to choose Program Files in the Choose Template tab. After clicking, click on again Autodesk, again later Revit 2026 tab, then click on Templates. Here we will be able to see the same templates which will be browsed. So select the required template you want, like for example default metric, and click on OK button. Once you click on OK button, the default metric template will be chosen as standard for the required file. By this method, we'll be able to choose and select the required template which we want to work with.